Hello, I'm Sam, General Manager at Art of Flooring. Welcome to our showroom. We are an independent Cambridge-based company offering quality flooring supply, installation and aftercare. Our mission is to provide the most outstanding customer service experience ever. We want to get to know you and understand exactly what you are looking to achieve. Whether you're looking for carpet, wood flooring or even vinyl, the floor you need, want or dream of having is really important to us. We're a dedicated flooring specialist. We'll take the time to listen to your requirements, find a suitable product for you and explain the reasons for our suggestions. Before creating any quotation, we like to perform a site survey. This will allow us to see what is really required to install the floor of your choice. We take great pride in our work and we are committed to training ourselves on the best practices for planning and preparation. This means that not only during the site survey will we measure your floor, but we'll also test it to make sure it's suitable for its intended use. On acceptance of our quote, we will create an installation schedule. This means you will know what is happening and when to expect it. We use a digital service application to help us manage your project. This means that the fitter will contact you before arrival and the team in the showroom will be updated of its status. We can then share this information with you. After installation of any of our products, we can continue to care for your investment through our protection and maintenance services. This will ensure you get the most out of your new floor.
From the first moment we started talking to Art of Flooring, it was clear that not only were they a passionate independent business and really knew their stock, but they were also passionate about customer service. They really want you to get exactly what you asked for and more. What I was looking for was an oak herringbone floor in a Victorian rebuild. What my children were looking for is a perfect floor for moonwalking, and at the end of the day, we got both.
We believe that everyone deserves a beautiful home, and every home a beautiful floor. We look forward to working with you soon.